Hi everybody, Carmen and Riva here from Quality Sewing. We are so excited to share with you this new machine. This machine is called the Baby Lock Flourish 2. What's exciting about this is that this machine, we can now ship it to anywhere in the US, and it has an amazing new low price. But first, we want to take some time to tell you a little bit about some of the features of this machine because it has a really large hoop. It has super easy on-screen editing. It has a beautiful color touch screen, and it is just so much fun to use. I'm just really excited about it. And so Reva's going to take a couple of minutes here to show you some of those details so you can really understand what this machine could do for your embroidery.
All right, so the Flourish 2 is really an easy and fun machine to use. It's a dedicated embroidery machine, which means that is its main focus. So if you have a fabulous sewing machine and you want to add embroidery to your sewing room, this will do it for you. It's also a great second machine if you already have a embroidery machine that you're running day and night. So this is a great complement to either one of those. The sewing field is really nice and big. 6¼ by 10¼ so it's a really big hoop, so you can do some really large things, not stuck to just a small little hoop. It has a color touch screen that is very easy to navigate. So if you want to choose an embroidery design, you can look through the different categories here and page through them and see what there is to offer there. We can go back and choose a different category. But there's beautiful designs in here. There's 181 designs that are built into the machine. There's also frames. There's 10 different frame shapes, but each one of these has a dozen different styles for the frame. So that's pretty neat and great for using, doing a monogram. So for example, if I wanted to take this and create a monogram, you can change the size, smaller or bigger. You can even come in with this machine, you can actually add things in. So maybe I want to come in here and grab a beautiful letter and set that right in the middle there, and you can have a beautiful monogram. I have a really cute design going on the machine. I want to show you how I built that. That is one of the built-in designs, and it's under Celebrate. And I thought I'd make a cute little birthday gift bag for my friend Sarah. So here is the design right on the screen, and I just touch set. Now you can move it if you want to change its location right in the screen. I'm going to put it back in the middle though. And then I want to add the lettering. So to get letters, it's so easy. All you do is touch the alphabet, pick the style of letter that you want to use. And I made mine a little bit smaller. There's 3 different sizes for each font, or for most every font. And all I need to do is scroll over and get my A, P, P, Y, and space. And then I'm going to go back, get my B, oops, I misspelled. That's okay. There's a delete button. You don't have to worry about that. So that's okay. Just don't stitch out the L instead of the I. But BIRTH and then DAY. DAY. So happy birthday. So here is my lettering. I can move it wherever I want it to be in the hoop just by touching it. But I think it might look nice if we arc that around those balloons. So I'm going to touch Font Edit and Array. And then you can choose if you want to have it on a diagonal, you want to have it arc over or arc under. And I'm going to have it arc over those balloons. You also can control how tight or how flat that curve is. And I like that. So that's really great. And then just touch OK and OK again. Now let's add her name. So I'm going to touch Add, and I'm going to go to my alphabets, but let's choose the exclusive font. This font is so beautiful. I'm going to find my S and then A, R, A. So there's Sarah, and then Set, and this just is so beautiful. So that's ready to go now. If you want to customize how your design shows on the screen, just touch that button there. And we'll go over here, and I had used the turquoisey color, and then I can advance to the next color, which I used the blue. And then my next color was a bright yellowy color, and then that's how it will look. And again, you can see your preview right there. Just so easy to use. When you're ready to sew, you just touch Edit End, and you get sewing. As it's stitching out the letters, I want to tell you something else that it does when you're working with embroidery. If you're working with letters or with color changes, like my balloon switched colors from the light blue to the darker blue and then to that yellowy color, it will actually cut the thread and it will remove that jump stitch so you don't have anything to trim later. So that's a huge time saver, and it's absolutely fabulous. And this stitches out so beautifully, I can hardly wait for it to be done. Didn't that turn out so pretty? I just love the way the thread looks on this font. It's absolutely gorgeous. So the Flourish 2 is pretty cool. It has that 5-inch touch screen. It has 181 embroidery designs, 13 fonts, plus, I don't know if I showed you this or not, but in addition to the fonts, remember we have that beautiful exclusive font, and here's the different fonts that are on the machine. But in addition to that beautiful script font that we have here, take a look at this. These are beautiful letters. They're 5x7 is the embroidery size that this would fill, and it has all that beautiful flowers on it. Just so pretty. So those are in there. You also have in here decorative buttonholes that are just absolutely beautiful, so you can embroider those buttonholes with a decorative flourish on them right in the hoop. You have a wonderful automatic needle threader. So this little guy is so easy to use. All you do is push down on the lever and it's threaded. What could be easier than that? And also right here, that's the bobbin area, and you can see how much thread you have in there, and it's so easy to access. All you need to do is take the door off and pop a new bobbin in when you're ready, and then put the door back on. Now, the embroidery designs are absolutely beautiful, and you get this lovely guide that shows you all the different embroidery designs that you have built into that machine. There's things for children, there's things for holidays, there's even a mustache if you must. You can even put that on mask. Wouldn't that be fun? So there's tons of beautiful things. It tells you what the colors are, and of course your machine will tell you that too. Now, if that's not enough embroidery designs, you can take the embroidery designs that you own and put them on a USB stick, and you can put them right into the machine. You can access your embroidery stick right there, and you can find your designs right there. So lots of fun. Very, very easy to use. I think you're going to absolutely love it.